Hello guys, today is Wednesday afternoon. I'm going to keep preparing my dinner. I'm going to cook gizzard. I'm going to cook balon-balunan saka atay at balon-balunan. Ikakaldereta ko siya. Ikakaldereta ko tong atay at balon-balunan. Yan ang dinner ko. Si Zach naman tsaka si Thea ang dinner nila. Steak. Frozen pa to eh. So, ito ang dinner ni Zach tsaka ni Thea. Nung andito si Nathan, last time, bumili siya ng malaking steak. Tapos, nilagay lang namin sa freezer. Para, kung gusto namin magluto. This is for Zach tsaka kay Thea. So, this is steak. Ito yung ulam ni Thea tsaka ni Zach. Si Kurt. Kurt, anong ulamin mo, Kurt? Anong dinner mo, Kurt? Ha? Si Kurt. Ayaw niya ng steak. So, are you gonna eat, atay balon-balunan? Hindi naman nakakaulam ng atay balon-balunan. So, I'm going to cook the steak here. Ano to? Garlic butter. And, garlic butter. So, ito ang ulam ni Thea sa ni Zach. Tapos, nagluluto din ako ng fries for them. Chips. Chips ang tawag dito sa Australia. Pagka magluluto ako ng Filipino food na hindi kinakain ni Thea tsaka ni Zach, nilulutuan ko sila ng ibang pagkain. Tsaka mostly si Zach, si Thea, pihikan din siya, hindi masyadong, ang gusto niya kasi mga soup, ganun. Hindi siya kumakain ng mga kari-kari, wala. Kakain siya sinigang. Pero kung ibang dish, ayaw. Luto na yung chips. Kurt Louie, magsara ka na ng blind. Sarado mo na yung mga blind ng bintana. Boo!
Oh my god! I thought you were Kurt for a second.
What are you playing?
Harders versus Seegers.
Seegers. Pan muna natin yun. Ito na yung gata. We only use ganitong gata dito, nakalata.
Mommy, is it ready yet? Mommy, is it ready yet?
Nearly ready.
Whoa.
Ooh!
Is it ready now?
I'm gonna make after I make the
Baby? I gave you more cookies. No, it's okay.
I'm putting up your turn.
I'm not gonna have steak.
I'll just give it to you.
Zach! Oh, baby, This is well done. We don't like yung magdudugo pa. Zach, it's ready!
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Nice.
Did you get any gravy?
There's a gravy on the table.
Oh.
So this is my dinner. Looks good. I like balloon-balloonan. And now I don't have a brace. I can eat a lot of balloon-balloon.